Here is something you'll absolutely love if you're a woodworker. The easiest way to start your woodworking projects. Get access to 16,000 woodworking plans. You can get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking projects in the next 5 minutes or less. 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step instructions, photos and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. You can download the entire 16,000 plans package and all the bonuses right now. Plus you'll get the option of getting everything on DVDs. You can be going through all the plans in just a few minutes from now. It's an incredible feeling. Being able to wake up on a Saturday morning and get to work on your project with absolute confidence it will turn out right. With no strange gut feeling you'll make a mistake or you won't finish what you start. That's the way woodworking is supposed to be. This is a time-limited offer. Get access to 16,000 plans right now.